Today, I give you permission to sort through all the Valentine's stuff that came home with your kids this week. So I've got two boys still in elementary school. They still exchange Valentines and come home with all sorts of goodies. And the thing to know about organizing with kids is make sure you always ask their permission. So this morning at breakfast, I told the boys, I'd like to get rid of some of the Valentine's stuff we have. Is there anything special you want to keep? And they both said they want the candy. Now, I'm also gonna sort out any small trinkets, erasers, pencils, those types of things, as I'll add those to our school supply area for our use in the future. So come along with me as I sort this stuff out. Okay, so I finished my sort. I did have a surprise attack by some open fun dips, so that was an unexpected mess. But other than that, I've got my paper that I'm gonna recycle, a big pile of trash that I'm just gonna throw away, some candy that I'll put up in the cabinet, and then some fun little trinkets. There's some items like this super cool little thing of Legos that I'm gonna put in the car for the kids to play with if they are bored. And then there's some little items in here that I'll just kind of run past the boys and see if there's anything they wanna keep. If not, if they're in good shape, I might donate them to our local preschool who's always looking for some items for their prize box. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these items away. If you found this video helpful and are ready to go apply it to your house, give me a thumbs up or a heart, and I will talk to you later.